Welcome back to our channel, guys. It's Zainab's Azab's DIY, bringing another episode on this BMW E60 5 Series. Today we're going to show you how to remove your door panel on the rear door, and the tools that you need are plastic trim remover and Phillips screwdriver. On the rear door card or door panel, all you have are two Phillips screws, one on this side over here and one just underneath the door panel just over here. Go ahead and remove your cover of the Phillips screws, which is one over here and one just underneath over here. Once you remove the cover, go ahead and remove your Phillips screw. And the other one just on the bottom over here. Once you've done that, we can go ahead and pry off the door card. So inserting the plastic tool remover over here and just go around the door card. Once you get room, just get your hand underneath the door card and just pull all the way around. Make sure the door card is nice and loose. And now we have clips across the door panel like this, as well as one in the center over here. So what you want to do is you want to get your hand across like this again and just gently pull on it, and you can see the door panel. Once you remove the door panel, we have two cables or one plug cable to remove. So this one over here is for your door handle. Just want to pull on the tab over here and just release it. And you got another cable just over here. That's for your electric window. Go ahead and just pull on that, and then your door panel should be free. As I say, remove your rear door panel on a BMW E60 5 Series. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you in the next one.